Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat public profile and get subscribe button, and you are able to monetize Snapchat app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, launch App Store, tap on search, now tap for and search for Snapchat. And we have to make sure that the Snapchat app is up to date. Now tap open to launch Snapchat and tap profile icon. Now tap settings, and we have to scroll, and under privacy control we have to enable first three options: contact me, send me notification, and view my story. If you want to share your location, then you will also share your location. After doing this setting, we have to go back to the profile and we have to scroll down. Here you will get under public profile, create public profile, and we have to tap on create public profile. I already have a public profile, so that's why it's not showing public profile. We have to tap on continue, and in the end create. If you want to edit your profile, tap on edit and you can change your picture. Here we have to enable show subscriber count. Now go back and tap preview profile, and you will see I have a subscribe button under my profile name. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.